In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable code hints and autocomplete in Dreamweaver. If you spend time writing HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, turning on code hints and autocomplete can make your workflow faster, more accurate, and far less frustrating. You'll get helpful suggestions as you type, quick access to valid properties and values, and fewer typos slowing you down. We'll start by opening Preferences. On Windows, go to the Edit menu and choose Preferences. This is where Dreamweaver keeps most of the settings that control how the editor behaves, including the smart typing features we're about to enable. If your workspace looks a little different, don't worry. Preferences is still the place you want to be. Once the Preferences window is open, look at the list of categories on the left and select Code Hints. This section is dedicated to the autocomplete and hinting features. Selecting it brings up all the options that determine what Dreamweaver shows you as you type and how those suggestions appear. Now enable the feature itself. Check the box labeled Enable Code Hints. With this turned on, Dreamweaver will start suggesting tags, attributes, properties, functions, and more, depending on the language you're working in. As you type, you'll see a small pop-up list with relevant completions. It's a simple switch, but it makes a big difference in speed and accuracy. You'll also see a few optional settings that can tailor the experience to your preferences. Auto insert braces will automatically add a closing brace when you type an opening one. This is especially handy in CSS blocks or JavaScript functions, helping you avoid unbalanced braces that cause errors. Auto insert quotes works the same way, adding the closing quote when you type the opening quote. This can save time and prevent those little syntax mistakes that break your code. Finally, Enable Description Tooltips shows brief descriptions next to hints. These tooltips can provide extra context, like what a CSS property does or what parameters a function expects, which is great if you're still learning or switching between languages. When you're happy with the settings, click OK to save and close the Preferences window. From now on, you'll notice Dreamweaver offering suggestions as you type and completing routine symbols for you. If at any point the hints feel too aggressive or you prefer a leaner setup, you can always return to the same Code Hints section and adjust or turn off specific options. The goal is to make the editor work for you, not the other way around. Enjoy the smoother workflow and cleaner code with fewer errors.